it was sore and I knew it was getting sore, but I just thought it was just a bit of tendonitis, and then the championship was coming up. I think it's just first ball I went for, just snapped. And I just said to myself, oh no, and the physio, the Oaks physio come over to me and just says, I think you snapped your Achilles here.
He was a massive loss. He still had so much more to give. You know, there was still so much more that we could have seen from him, and we were probably robbed of some of his best years.
He had 2 Achilles operations, you know, and one of them his dad took him over to Sweden for. And when he came back home, I nursed him here. And really and truly, it was heartbreaking to watch him in so much pain. For the simple reason, the journey alone coming home in the plane took an awful lot out of him. And then me as a mother standing at the door watching him coming up the path was unreal.